is fast becoming, no doubt, an institution that's known for its uniqueness, known for the different ways in which it does things, and all to the aim for improving and developing the Nigerian financial markets. This feat is no small one, as everyone would know, and whatever change, whatever development you have started to see in our markets has only been made possible by the contributions and the support of the various stakeholders in the markets, one of whom has made today possible the listing of the Stanbic IBTC PLC, Bank PLC bond. Stanbic IBTC is one of the largest contributors in our markets. From our last league table, they're actually number one in terms of contributing to the liquidity of our markets. And when we talk of contribution and support to the financial markets,
the reason we raised the bond was one, to enhance our capital base because the bond qualifies as Tier 2 capital. It's a 10-year bond, first of its kind in a program in the country. We're very, very delighted at the success that we witnessed, and we believe that listing the bond on the FMDQ exchange is very significant. We've been told that we're a top-tier name. We're very grateful for your support, ladies and gentlemen. And so listing on the stock exchange, it gives us the privilege to join this very, very reputable and growing exchange in the country. We're very attracted to this exchange, particularly because of some of the strengths and some of the things that the exchange offers. The exchange transparently, in a transparent manner, offers our bond price discovery. You are sure as an investor, you're certain that buying or selling our bond on the FMDQ, you are sure that the price that you get is market determined. This exchange is also very liquid. The exchange provides liquidity. The exchange is a marketplace where buyers and sellers, in simple terms, meet and transact business. So for our bond also, a second attraction besides the transparent price discovery is the liquidity that the exchange provides. Thirdly, we count ourselves privileged and esteemed to join the league of other top companies that are already listed or that have their bonds listed on the exchange. And so Stanbic IBTC joining that league, we're very, very, we see it as a privilege. Yeah, I think it's a good time to clap.
At the signing of the listing registration.
Vice Chairman, Mr. Apt to present the certificate of listing to Stanbic IBTC Bank PLC.
To get this right, on behalf of the board, we are pleased that you found our exchange for listing and your bond to provide active secondary market for the bondholders and future investors who will buy the bond. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
That we will be issuing today. The first is a scroll. We'll bring it to the current times where we'll give a plaque. As well. And the third thing would be marking or orthographing the FMDQ listing wall of fame.
In light of that, we want to show those who are also joining us in building this market that indeed all their efforts and their work is indeed appreciated. And without Stanbic IBTC Capital, we would not be listing this fund on our platform today. So to that end, I want to invite Kobe, the head of the debt capital markets, to come.
This is of significance. It is a market first. No program in this market has achieved that, and we are pleased to have pioneered that development by the listing of the Series 1 issuance under Stanbic IBTC structured note program. Mentioned FMDQ, and that FMDQ has been phenomenal in assisting with the market growth, and I think they deserve a round of applause for their work in that regard. And we expect, and we are sure we'll see more of that coming from FMDQ, and hope that in the times ahead we'll work with you to do more of such new product developments. Thank you very much.
And then you have liquidity coming to this market. You won't have market making on the bond as it's 15 billion, but you have credibility for it to have been listed on the exchange. You have transparency about the bond. All the information about the bond. You have all the information on FMDQ website. That encourages secondary market for any investor that did not participate in the primary market.
So that's the liquidity. Our dealing members, they provide they make the market in all the products that trade on FMDQ. So we have our fixed income products, as well as even our money markets and currency. So speaking to the corporates who want to issue and look for a way where they can bring visibility to their bond issue, bring that transparency, and also more importantly, especially for investors, liquidity. So they know they have the market where they can exit if they wanted to. So those are some of the advantages. And with FMDQ, obviously we try to improve and develop our market. So there's a lot of innovation that comes.
Bonds are long-term instruments which companies use to raise capital. And when you list a bond, what you want is a much more diverse investor base, so that people who want to sell the bond can find a market where people who want to buy the bond. So the FMDQ platform is the market where sellers of the bond can come in to sell the bond and buyers can buy the bond. So when that transaction is going on every day, you create liquidity in the bond. So investors feel very confident to invest in a long-term instrument, knowing fully well that at any time they can sell it before its maturity. If you need cash, you bring it to the market, you sell it, and you get your money. Somebody else takes the bond. The bond itself continues to run until its final maturity date, when it's paid to all the bondholders holding it as of that date. So the purpose of listing, why many companies list their bond, is to create an active secondary market in that bond so that the bond can continue to trade. New owners coming in, those who want to sell and buy. So that's why we are pleased today to have Stanbic IBTC as one of our second bond listing. We had UBA in April, and so we have Stanbic IBTC, and we believe we'll have more bonds coming into the market. So that at the FMDQ platform, we want to create the platform as one of the most liquid, where sellers of the bond and buyers can come in and do trades daily.